Welcome to Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art, and I'm Mr. Woods. And in this episode, I'm going to teach you the difference between geometric and organic shapes while creating a hands-on project. Geometric shapes are typically man-made shapes, and they have a specific name like circle, square, rectangle, while organic shapes are free-form shapes, and you can find those in nature like grass, clouds, and even leaves. So let's get to the materials. You're going to need 5 sheets of various colors of construction paper. This is just a 6x9. And then either a 9x12 sheet of black paper or gray paper to glue those leaves onto. You'll need your favorite media like markers, crayons, pencils. I'm using brush markers to create the veins in each leaf. You're not going to need any scissors because you're going to use your hands, and you're going to glue them down with white glue. So find those materials and let's begin. This is an excellent resource with various types of leaves. Be sure to refer back to it when you start your project. Using this green sheet of 6x9 construction paper, we're going to create a leaf that's not only organic but also symmetrical. So the left side is going to be exactly the same as the right side. And to do so, we're going to fold it in half. And you can choose to fold it in half this way, or I'm going to go this long way right here. Now we're going to have some fun. Only using my hands, I'm going to do what I call a controlled tear. Tear from the top, kind of circle out a little bit and come back to the bottom, and you're going to go from the fold back to the fold so you have one symmetrical organic leaf. I have my thumbs on top and I just do a small controlled tear. And by doing this, I'm going to have an awesome looking edge to each leaf. And it just takes a little bit of time. Just go slow. And remember, if you make a mistake here, it's just going to be a little mistake. You can always correct it. Once I'm done, I open it up. And there's going to be my first leaf. So look at that edge. That's awesome right there. I'm going to try something a little bit different and rip back in to the leaf a little bit so I get kind of like little points. I don't want every single leaf to be exactly the same. So think about the different leaves that we've been looking at, and you can research leaves, go out in the yard, pick some up, and try to replicate those leaves. I'm going to do a little smaller leaf here. A little curve in, curve out look. And finish it up at the bottom here. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, there we go. I like that. I have 2 more to go. And you want leaves of different shapes and different sizes to add a little variation in this project. So don't be upset if you have a leaf that's really short, because we're going to pile these on top of each other. So I might do that with this purple leaf here. Let's do a little small one. Again, thumbs on top. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to tear this paper like a champ. And we come back this direction. A little more of a curve at the end there. But again, I love the edges of these leaves. And then we're going to look and find our largest leaf of the 5. And that's the first one we're going to glue down on our base. Flip it upside down. When you start, make sure they don't go off the page. Start with your largest one in the middle. And I like to just glue the center part and let the edges stick up, because that helps add a little cast shadow on the leaves that's underneath. And just think about composition now. You know what, I kind of want to put this one underneath here. It'll look a little better. With my purple one next. Yeah, I'll change my mind and go brown then purple. Put my brown one right here, and my purple on top in a way that you can still see the green. There's an awesome pile of leaves. I really like it. You've got those great looking edges, 5 different leaves. They're layered on top of each other, so we're talking about overlapping. Come back with my markers. Now I'm going to choose a marker color that's similar to the leaf itself to do the inside veins. And again, just like the leaves, we want each set of veins to be a little bit different. So I start with the main, and it goes thick to thin. And then thinking about symmetry, whatever you do on the left, you do on the right, or in my case, right to left. And there we go. 5 hand-torn leaves glued down to our black paper. We have various sizes from large, medium to small. We have overlapping. We've used symmetry, so we have things that are the same on the left side as the right side or mirror image. And then it's just an excellent composition. Hey my friends, thank you so much for joining me for another episode right here at Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art. I really enjoyed using our hands to tear leaves and thinking about symmetry. So after you create your hand-torn leaves, upload them back onto my Facebook page. And remember, if anyone can do it, it's you.